So much to talk about, so little time. Let's get into the stock market next week and what's happening. So we have housing data, we have the Fed, we have retail sales, we have earnings from Home Depot and Walmart. It's going to be a rough week. Nevertheless, the SPY and the QQQ looks like it's very bullish, and it looks like hedge funds are buying even more and more. Let's see if we can keep that up this week. On Wednesday, we have retail sales data coming out, and it will show us whether the consumer is spending more on purses. It is expected to be flat this month, rising only 0.1%. Due to inflation, this number has drastically decelerated. Also, be careful about your housing stocks because on Wednesday, we have some important housing data. We have housing starts and building permits data coming out on Wednesday, so be sure to watch out for that because that indicates more consumer spending in the longer term. This number has estimated to have fallen just slightly to 1.55 million. And on Thursday, there's more housing with existing housing sales. This number is expected to have fallen as well with 4.85 million. And home sales have been down 21% yield to date. This is mostly due to high interest rates, so be careful for the M rates out there because they have high interest rates and volatility. As for earnings, it's jam-packed with Tuesday we have Walmart and Home Depot. Wednesday we have Lowe's, Cisco, Target, TJ Maxx. Thursday we have Estee Lauder, BJ's, and Kohl's. And Friday we have Deere and Foot Locker. As always, what to watch for each week and the top 5 stocks to watch is always in my free newsletter, link in the description below. Bye, future millionaires.